Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I am back with another Tinkercad Designer Showcase, so let's get cracking. Friends, today's designer is 6th grader Charlize. Let's paste in this share link, and let's see what she made. Oh my gosh, are you ready for this? This is Asgard. Holy mackerel. So, she's got an awesome little table. Check it out. I got a note that came with this. She told me that there is a chocolate heart with filling, which is pretty cool. Let's spin around this way and look at it. Oh my gosh. Using the whales to full effect. Check out this cool sphere. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. Looking down here, she's got some cool magic crystals. Let's use F to fit view and zoom in and see what this is. Oh, these are her flowers. She made these in my class using the duplicate and rotate trick. This one is extra cool. This one has beveled edges. We put a sphere inside of a tube and they just turn out wicked cool. That is so awesome. Over here we have the Infinity Gauntlet. Extra cool. Up here we've got the cool snowflakes. These are built into Tinkercad, so if you're ever looking in the shape generators, they are awesome. And oh my gosh, check out this cool design as well. It is called the Elemental Star. Absolutely love this cool backdrop. And check out the cylinder with the triangles in it. Charlize, this is absolutely awesome, and it's no surprise that Thor would come from such an awesome place. Well done, and thank you for taking time to share. Friends, remember, if you ever make something awesome or something you just want to share, you can reach out to me by simply clicking this button, generate a link, copy the link, and then you can ship it to me. I am HLModTech on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. You can also track me down on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. If those options do not work for you, you can also visit HLModTech.com. It is my website. I have a sweet page dedicated to Tinkercad, and then at the bottom there's also a sweet messaging tool. You can click on this button, fill in your information, and reach out to me almost instantly. Friends, I also want to remind you out here we have the Designer Showcase page, tons of designer showcases, and the amazing designer directory. So many profiles of cool Tinkercad users out here. Friends, when you stop by, make sure you click on their designs and give them a reaction, showing them how cool you think their awesome projects are. It's a great way for you to get ideas on what to create next and give them some support for the time they put into making awesome designs. Finally, friends, I want to say thanks again for Charlize for your creative energy and taking time to share. Friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Please also hit that share button so more people can learn about HLModTech. Of course, if you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button. And last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.